We need to train our body. We need to train our body for our healthy life. It is better to have muscle rather than fat. My training can change your life. When I was in junior high school rugby team, I didn't have muscle, so I was not very good player. My teammates told me that they don't need me. After I was taught, I decided to change myself. Well, I didn't have such body first, but I trained myself by using weight. With weight, and we can train without weight, but it takes much longer to make body bigger than training with weight. First, I tell you how muscle gets bigger. I think you have an experience that after training, your body feels hurt. That because your muscle fiber break by training. About 24 to 40 hours, your body heals your muscle fiber by making muscle fibers thicker, and that makes your muscle bigger. And now I'm going to tell you how to train upper part of your body. I recommend you to do bench press to train your upper part of the body. Lie on the bench and lift weight by using only arms. Lastly, I need to warn that if you want to lose your weight, don't do weight training because muscle is heavier than fat. Thank you.